Hello everyone. Today we will exercise the story The Tailor and His Friend. Let's start. In this story we find new words. First word is friend. 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 A person that you know and like, not a member of your family and who likes you is called friend. The person that you know and like, not a member of your family and who likes you is called friend. Friend means those. Next word is pain. 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 The a pleasant feeling that you have when a part of your body has been hurt is called pain. Pain means pida. Next is shop. 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 From where one can buy things is called shop. Shop means dukan. Next is tailor. 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 A person who stitches clothes is called tailor. Tailor means darji. Next is trick. 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 A mischief. Trick means a mischief and it means sararat. Trick means sararat. Next is wet. 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 Covered with water. Wet means covered with water is called wet. Wet means gila. Next, let's read. First sentence is the tailor had a shop. The tailor had a shop. And next word is I have many friends. I have many friends. Reading is fun. Next is reading is fun. Who was Kalu? First question is who was Kalu? And answer is Kalu was a tailor. Next question is who was Appu? First question is who was Kalu? And answer is Kalu was a tailor. 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 Next question is who was Appu? And answer is Appu was an elephant. Appu was an elephant. 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 Appu was an elephant. Next, where was Kalu's shop? And answer is Kalu's shop was near the river. Kalu's shop was near the river. River. Next question is what trick did Kalu play on Appu? And answer is Kalu pricked a needle in Appu's trunk instead of giving him food. Next question is how did Kalu's clothes become wet? And answer is Appu threw water on them through his trunk. That's why Kalu's clothes become wet. Next is let's talk. First is what do you do when someone troubles you? And the answer is I will try to talk them patiently. Next, when you are angry. And answer is I will keep myself calm and good to others so I never get angry. Next is when you don't want to share. I hide. And answer is I hide that thing which I don't want to share with others. Next is when someone asks you for a pencil. And answer is I give them my pencil. Next, let's share what games do you play with your friends? And answer is I play with doll, hide and seek, bat and ball, carom board, etc. Next question is, can you walk and make sounds like a elephant? And answer is no, I can't walk and make sounds like an elephant. Next is, the tailor had a shop near the river. First question is, what, just like, where is your house? And answer is, my house is near Fun Cinema. Just like, where your house? And answer, where your house? My house is near, just for example, Fun Cinema, near Fun Cinema. Make some more sentence like the above, beginning with words like, fill in the blanks. Read this sentence and complete this sentence. First, my school is near the, for example, near the bank. The elephant is, next is, my friend's house is near, for example, Karol Bagh. And next question is, the well is near, for example, my house. The well is near my house. Next is, my book is on the table. For example, my book is on the table. Next is, the aeroplane flies in the sky. Next is, the elephant is my friend. Next, say aloud. Jam, Jam, jam. Jeep, Jeep, jeep. Joy, Joy, joy. Jug, Jug, jug. Juice, Juice, juice. Pen, Pan, pen. Pen, pen. Pick, Pick. Pink, Pink. Pink. Put, Put. Ear, Year, ear. Yell, Yell, yell. Yellow, Yellow, yellow. Yes, yes. Young, Young, young. Zebra, Zebra, zebra. Zigzag, Zig, zigzag. Zip, zip. Zoo, zoo. Zoom, zoom. Next, pick the odd one. One has been done for you. Pick the odd one in these things and circle the odd things. First, just like, first, these all are fruits, kind of fruits, and it is an elephant. So this is odd in these things. Next, we can try Sunday, Monday, Friday, and this is a moon. So this is odd thing in this 4. March, May, April. This is a dog, odd things. Bus, sheep, aeroplane, and this is bottle, which is odd thing. Book, razor, pen, and this is cup which is earthy. Onion, tomato, first in this onion, tomato and carrot. So rose is a flower. Earthing. Doctor, postman and tailor. Table is earthing. Let's do. Make a friendship band. What you need? Paper, scissors, glue, ribbon. Paper, scissors, glue, ribbon. Material to decorate: bands, toffees, gifted, etc. Cut a strip of ribbon, color of your choice. Cut its length to make a wristband. Cut the ribbon. Draw a marigold flowers on the paper and cut it out. Decorate the marigold flower with glitter, sequins, or whatever you like. Continue to make flowers until you have the number you wish to put on the ribbon. Glue the flowers to the ribbon strip. Let it lie flat until the glue is dry. Now your friendship band is ready to be tied around your friend's wrist. You can use different materials to decorate each flower. Example: buttons, lace, sequins, beads, glitters, toffees, etc. A wrist and band with the name of your friend can also be made. Thanks for watching.